Hey crochet lovers, welcome to AB's Art. In today's tutorial, we will going to learn something different, which is not crochet, but we will use crochet yarn here to make this beautiful cross stitch butterfly. Yes, in this tutorial, we will learn how to make cross stitch and how to use your yarns here, and you can use all your scrape or the leftover yarns from your crochet work. And as well, following this design, you can make implement the same design into your crochet work for making any pattern, any blanket for babies. And maybe I'll make a video so you can try making the same design in crochet. So let's not waste any time and let's start making this beautiful cross stitch butterfly. So for this project, I am using all my spare yarns, scrap yarns, and I am using this canvas, and this is a cotton canvas. And see, this cross stitch is done on cotton canvas, on cotton cloth, and as well as on plastic canvas, but I have this available, so I'm going to start my cross stitch frame on this canvas. And with this, I am using this tapestry needle, which is used for this thick or soft cotton yarns. Okay, so let's start. So I am starting this anywhere because this is just a tutorial. So I'll put my needle from beneath this like this, pull it up, and from the back side I'll hold a little bit of thread like this and with my fingers, so that this would not come out and our stitches will become tight. Now in the cross stitch I will leave this hole, and in this hole I'll make a cross like this, the slant way. Now again I will pull my needle through this cross, yes, here, and I'll make a cross in here, leaving this hole here. I'll make a cross here like this. So my first cross is ready. As you can see, it is very easy to make. And again, now I'll leave one hole and I'll start making my cross stitch. I'll pull my needle like this. Then again we have to make another cross as per the pattern. I'll put my needle just beside this cross like this. Again, from I'll leave one hole here and I'll put my needle from this hole, this, and I'll make my another cross, complete my cross like this. So likewise I'll keep making my cross stitches as per the pattern. So I had to make three, as I told you. I've started with the blue color, so I'll make three in a row, this, like this, and like this. You can see from behind it looks like this. So as per the pattern here, I've made 1, 2, and 3 blue. Now in between I'll keep making blue, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 more, 6 blues. And likewise I'll continue with one color, because it is, back to back, it is attached, one cross is attached to another cross. So I'll complete with the blue color, and I'll see you then to show my work how it looks. Okay, so as you can see, I've made some of the crosses with the blue color here as per the pattern. Now I'll show you how to make with the different color, and here we start. So as per the pattern, I have to start with the green color here. Here. and again I'll leave this stitch, and in this stitch I'll make a cross like this. Now here I have to make 3 crosses, one below other as per the pattern. Once you start making crosses, after few crosses, it is very easy to make the cross stitch, because we get an idea back to back, the length, the distance of making each cross. Just make sure that you're doing it very nicely, slowly, so that your threads should not come out. Okay, I think I have done something wrong, so I'll have to remove the needle, and it's very easy to mend your work here by just pulling up the thread with your needle itself. Okay, so here, so this is how I'll keep making by changing the colors. This is how I'll keep making. I think this light color is very light and light. Okay, so I'll complete with rest of the colors as per my written pattern. As per my this pattern, I started making with the cream color here. All right, so after blue color I have used the cream color. So you have to keep making this part I have started, so keep making following the pattern, and I'll see you after some of my work or completely my work. Okay, so as you all can see now, I have done my half of the butterfly as per the pattern, and now I'm going to start with the other half here with the pink color. So from here as per the pattern I'll start. You can check the pattern, and one more thing I would like to say here, that in cross stitch, never miss out in any of the crosses, because if you will miss any one cross, or if you do any one cross here and there, your whole design might suffer. You have to compromise on all of the work which you completed while making. So it is very necessary to be careful while counting the cross in the pattern of the cross stitch. Otherwise, as you can see, cross stitch pattern is way easy. So I always count these stitches, twice or thrice. I make sure that I'm doing it right again and again, so that my pattern goes properly, and I should end up with a nice and proper pattern as it is. So here I started. I'll try to complete the other half, and then I'll see you after that. All right, friends. So finally, I've completed my cross stitch butterfly, as you can see here, and this is as per my chart which I have prepared for butterfly, as you can see here, right here. So what you can do is you can take a screenshot or photograph of this chart. I am displaying it right here, and go ahead and try to make this beautiful butterfly with all the scrap yarn which you have with you, from crochet work. And as well, you can same design you can use in filet crochet, wherein you can make baby bags, or small girls bags with this design. And likewise, you can do cross stitch design in crochet. I may make the similar one for sling bag design. in crochet. And I'll tell you how to make by taking the stitches, maybe front post stitches, and all over, double crochet. So this is it, and go ahead and try this beautiful cross stitch pattern, and do let me know in the comments. Till then, keep liking, sharing, subscribing my videos. I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.